I'm going to share my winter essentials with you guys. So winter is such a season, you just need to take care of your skin, your hair, and particularly everything. So in today's video I thought of sharing few of the products which I consider as winter essentials. I'll be covering skincare, I'll be also covering hair care and all the other products as well. And let's just begin with today's video. Hi guys, so I have included some of the basic products and I have not gone too over the board as a skincare junkie or hair care junkie. So these are all the basic products that everyone can use. So the first product that I have is this shower gel from Cocosol. Also this video is non-sponsored. All these products I already have them and I just thought of sharing it with you guys. So this is the revitalizing shower gel from Cocosol, as you can just see. Now why I have included this in my list is it has coconut oil. So during winter your skin becomes really dry, flaky. So if you use this, A, you can just exfoliate your skin, and B, your skin will be really moisturized, nourished and glowy. So this is my first product, Cocosol Revitalizing Shower Gel. You also get different flavors in this, but I think coconut oil flavor is just apt for winters. Now let's move on to second. Now in winters the most common problem we all face is our hands keep on drying and there are just white creases and all. I do get it a lot of because I am a person with ultra dry skin. So I have this Moroccan Argan hand and nail cream. So just have a look at it. Now this is something fancy. A lot of you might not be using hand cream because it's not such a basic product. However, if you're a person who loves to throw a hand and nail cream in your bag, try this one. It's travel friendly. Also you get apt amount in it, and it's from this brand San Botanica. Now you already know I love San Botanica products. They are just superb, so you can just try this out. The texture is very good and your hands don't feel so sticky after using this, which is a plus point because many hand creams are really sticky and greasy and everything falls off from your hand, so that is definitely not acceptable. So yeah, my second product was a hand cream. Try this. My next winter essential has to be this Olay Reach and Rest Whip UV SPF 30. If you have watched my earlier videos, you know how much I have spoken about this product. It's non-sponsored, okay? I bought this with my own money also. But thing is that it has SPF 30. You don't need to apply sunscreen. The texture, and look at this cream, you guys. Look at this. I have almost finished it. I am a person who never uses cream. I use serum instead, but trust me you guys, this is the only cream that I have used so much. Me and my mom both use this, so if you just buy this one, you and your entire family can share it. It's a bit expensive, but it's an investment, you guys. My next winter essential thing is this moisturizing body lotion with cocoa and shea butter. It's from this brand Vinalea. Now this is a very thick body lotion, okay? You can just see it is not liquidy. So if you have ultra dry skin, you can just use it because it's very thick and it provides apt amount of nourishment and moisturization. And you can clearly see I have already used almost this much of this product. All the products I have used and then only I am here to have a video over it. Next product that we have is this lip and cheek tint. Now this is a sort of natural lip balm. So this lip balm is made with a natural extract of beetroot and tomato. Let me just open it. Yeah, look at the color, you guys. It's so pigmented, gives you so nice tint on your lips. That lip balm that gives you sort of that bright pink effect on your lips. It looks so pretty, and if you are office or college going girl, you definitely need to have this, okay? You don't need any lipstick, trust me, and it stays on your lip for longer time. Now the next on my list is a hair care product. Of course, during winters lot of you guys suffer from dandruff, dry scalp, itchy scalp, dry hair, and I'm a person who has a lot of dandruff, okay? So I have this eucalyptus tea tree invigorating shampoo. This is specifically meant for dry skin, dry scalp, itchy, or you can say dandruff wala hair. If you have a lot of dandruff, try using this. I have used this one during winters. Also last winter I also used this. Would be a really good option. Also it makes your hair frizz free, and Poker Straight. So if you're someone who's looking for a anti-dandruff shampoo, you can use this, or you can use any anti-dandruff shampoo available in the market. Just use an anti-dandruff shampoo, okay? That's the point. Now the next product on my winter essentials list has to be this hyaluronic eye serum. Just have a look at this. I've also shown this in my winter nighttime skincare routine. Now although this is an eye serum, you can use it all over your face, okay? It has hyaluronic acid and the consistency of this is superb. Like, it's very jelly and it's also very hydrating. You will feel it once you use it, okay? So I'll just leave the link of all the products in my description box. You can check out whatsoever product you loved from all this, and this I just love it. The next product on my winter essentials list has to be this body scrub. This is from Pilgrim and this is from their volcanic lava range. Now during winters we have lot of flakiness and dryness over our skin, and it's really important to exfoliate so that, you know, there's no layer of dead skin on your skin and it becomes very glowy and radiant. So this jar by Pilgrim, it's huge, okay? You can just see the quantity of this one is somewhere around 200 grams, and this is their white lotus extract wala scrub. So it smells so good, you guys. So let me show you from inside even. So this is how it looks like. It'll just fall, so I'm just, you know, showing. I know it looks like you know, cracked land, but that is how your scrub is supposed to be. Once you mix it with water, it will become so soft, and the fragrance of this one is so amazing. So this is how your, you know, the clay scrubs look like, but this is not a clay scrub, okay? And the smell of this one is really good. I've used this like twice only, but I loved it. I'm going to use it more again. Along with that, the next product on my winter essential list is the same brand. I have the body butter from Pilgrim. It's also the volcanic lava with white lotus extract. If you're using body scrub, definitely body butter comes along with it. It's a combo, okay? You just have to use both of the products. And look at the consistency of this one. It's pure butter. Like, look at this. It's like, can you just have a look at the texture? It's real butter. Like, look at this. Smells so good. It has so good consistency, and body butters are definitely your favorites during winter. You have to use it, okay? I am very lazy in all these matters. My skin is very dry and I just forget to use it every day, and then I think kal se I'll start using, but I forget somehow. But you don't forget, okay? Now it's time for the last winter essential thing that I have. So I had shown you the Olay cream recently. So if you don't want to invest in that, if you feel it's too expensive, I have another alternative for you guys. It looks almost similar. So we have this Bulgarian Rose Auto Glow Night Cream. So have a look at this. Or even if you want to have a very good night cream, you can use this one. So specifically this has, you know, rose auto flavor, and it is like, you know, sort of pinkish in color, and the smell is really good, and I've used it. You can see the marks of hand. So I've used this, and the only difference between this and Olay is that this is a very thick cream, okay? So if you are with ultra dry skin, you can use it. Also if you are someone with oily skin, you can use it, but use small amount, because this is like a thicker cream, okay? And Olay is like a whipped cream consistency. It's just like, you know, whipped cream applied on your face. So yeah, even this gives good hydration, but it cannot beat Olay, okay? So yeah, these were all my winter essentials which I thought I should share with you guys, and I hope you guys would have loved it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. I hope you guys are also loving the birthday month series. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow.